Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks, coming to you with another holiday video. I want to start by taking a moment to just say thank you to all of my subscribers and to everyone who watches my videos. I appreciate you greatly. You are the reason I have a channel at all, and I just thank you very much for all the support you've given me over the last almost 2 years now. I'm also hoping that everyone had a fantastic Christmas and got to spend a lot of time with family and friends and just had a great time. I thought I would take a minute to just go through some of the things that I got for Christmas, some of the goodies that I got, as well as a couple of things that I just picked up for the hobby for myself. So we'll go ahead and we will start with, I got a set of Xuron photo etch scissors. I may do a product review on these. I have not done a product review in a very long time. In fact, one of my last product reviews, the Space Circle Cutter, is my most disliked video of the entirety of this channel. Like, most videos might have 1 or 2, maybe 3 dislikes. The display video has like 15. People really hate that cutter, I guess. But I have actually had these out of the package once already and used them, and holy cow, are these things sharp. You definitely do not want to nick yourself with them. I wouldn't possibly know what that feels like. But they are fantastic. I very much enjoy these, and so that's those. I also got the Tamiya Alpine Renault A110. This is the old car. You always see this car done in blue. The box art is French Racing blue. Usually most people build it to the box art with the decals and all that. You know, I'm just not good at doing that. But looking online, almost all the cars you see online are also in this French Racing blue. There's a couple, now and then you'll find like a red car, but I have seen a couple of shots of this car in white with some red stripes, and it looked awesome. So I think that's where I'm going to go with this one. Hopefully this will come up on the channel soon. Also, I got Tamiya's Ferrari FXXK. This is an awesome car. I will be looking for the photo etch set. I know Tamiya does a photo etch set for it that I could probably pick up, and I think it's just mostly grills. Hobby Design has a set for this car that contains like some fantastic brakes. I mean, absolutely gorgeous brakes with some photo etch discs and all that, which I think is, on the one hand, I want them because the brakes are fantastic. I mean, they're very detailed, they're gorgeous brakes. On the other hand, I'm pretty sure that all of these cars shipped with carbon ceramic brakes. So using steel photo etch for the brakes is kind of counterproductive. We'll see. I'll do some research and see where we go. On top of that, the Hobby Design photo etch set, or the detail up set for this kit, is, I think, out of print. So when you find it, it's like $50. So trying to justify that is, yeah. We'll see though. Now, on top of that, I picked up, just for myself, I was at the Hobby Lobby picking up some 24 gauge jewelry wire. 14 gauge would be really thick. I was picking up some 24 gauge jewelry wire. The wife was with me. I meandered into the model section, and the wife said, get it. So I have the Revell 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Personally, I prefer the Formula 400 hood that has the little scoops that come out of the front. My mom's boyfriend, when I was young, when I was like 15, after Dad passed, my mom had a boyfriend who bought cars a lot. And one of the cars he bought was a 71 Firebird that had the Formula 400 hood on it. And I thought it was a cool looking hood. Now, there does not seem to be a Formula 400 hood for this kit. There is one for an NPC kit. So what someone was saying is you can pick up like the resin hood and cut the scoops off of it and sand them and flush them up and glue them onto this hood. So that might be an option. It might not. I may just build it the way it comes in the box. Who knows? On top of that, another thing that I picked up for myself is a cat scratching pad. You're like, oh my God, Justin, why? But yeah, these things are fantastic for holding the little sticks for your painted parts. So, progress on the Dino. Not a lot of progress on the Dino still. Holiday week. The 2 holiday weeks are usually bad like this for me. So, I mean, as you see, the interior and the front parts are painted up. So, there's a couple of really cool things that I did. I didn't get them on video though, so I may be doing some recording later to kind of show how I did the dashboard, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of where we are with that. I gotta find some time to just put those parts together. I mean, they're almost all painted and decaled and ready to go. I think there's 1 or 2 pieces that still need a little bit of attention to them, and they'll be ready for assembly. So hopefully I will get that video out next week and we can get back onto the Dino content. But that's going to be about it for right now. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got anything really good for Christmas. I'd love to hear about it. And, you know, while you're commenting, we'll catch up on the builds that we built this year. to wrap it up for the New Year's review video. Thanks for spending the time and hanging out with me. I appreciate you all greatly. Take care, keep modeling, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.